Platform 1 for the 8059 Go There Great Northern service from Wellingar City through to Moorgate, which is now approaching Platform 1. Working a 717 electrical multiple unit. Wherever she is, this train is currently between New Barnet and Oakleigh Park. And it's going to be worked by a lovely Class 717. Where is it? Here she is. She's taking her time. She's running a bit behind schedule, but not too late. Come on, Moorgate train. Come on, Moorgate train. Show some nice enthusiasm today. 717016. Hey, come on. Thank you. Thanks to the honk.